this certificate of commendation to the city government of General Santos for being one of the exemplary local government units in the streamlining and simplification of business permitting and licensing procedures, and fully setting up an electronic business one-stop shop, or EBOS, in compliance with ARTA, DTI, DILG, DICT Joint Memorandum Circular Number 01, Series of 2021, and Republic Act Number 11032, or the Ease of Doing Business and Efficient Government Service Delivery Act of 2018, thereby providing quality and efficient service to the public. Given this 15th day of May 2024 at General Santos City, signed Secretary Ernesto V. Perez, Director General, Anti-Red Tape Authority. Congratulations to the people of General Santos City. Congratulations to Mayor Pacquiao, to the PPNO, all government officials responsible for this award.
Once again, congratulations to LGU General Santos City. Now may you request all the city officials together with the city director